next few years, you're probably already thinking about how to pay for it. CBS 2's Sevilla Vargas shows you how to get some of the billions of dollars available in scholarship money.
17-year-old high school senior Jalen Ransom from Los Angeles is working hard to maintain a 4.2 GPA and is applying to 14 of her dream colleges.
If money wasn't an object, I would attend Columbia in New York. That's my first choice, and then Stanford.
Her mother couldn't be prouder, but like many parents in today's economy, Carla doesn't feel financially prepared to send Jalen away to college in 9 months.
I would just hate for her to miss out on the opportunity of a lifetime, you know, because you can't afford it.
College admissions consultant Mark Lewis says there's still time to figure out a way to pay for college next fall.
If you're a high school senior and you're looking at this right now, the first thing you need to do, if you haven't done it already, is start looking up scholarships.
Chances are you might not get as much financial aid as you want, but the good news is there are over $15 billion in scholarships available to college-bound students now.
They even have scholarships for people who are left-handed, people who are gay, people who are African-American, people who are Filipino.
There are scholarships for community college students as well. Tips to get that free college money? Apply for both large and small scholarships. Universities will automatically bundle your large awards into your financial aid package, but smaller amounts like $500 to $1,000 go directly to you. Hit up all types of big corporations like Burger King and Xerox. They give away money. Ask your parents, employers, and places of worship for scholarships. And when applying, write a stellar personal statement detailing your passions, achievements, and hardships.
I wanted to graduate into a world that I would be well-suited to survive and fiercely compete in.
If you write a good admissions essay, the scholarship essays are real easy because it's simply cut and paste and tweak.
Use financial calculators provided on university websites to get an estimate on the price for college.
You can plan well in advance now and get an idea like, wow, this is what my reality looks like.
Jalen's reality is that Harvard might be cheaper than Berkeley if you figure out the money she'll receive in scholarships.
I was one of those people who was discouraged from going to an outer state Ivy League school, and then now I see that these are the schools with the most money.
Mark says when you get your financial aid package, take a close look at it.
You don't want to get a great 95% financial aid package as a freshman and then find out as a sophomore you're only getting 40% or 60%, and then you have to reevaluate your whole situation.
And remember, ask for more money if you need it.
In this economy, people are losing their jobs, people are becoming ill, people are going bankrupt. A lot of things are taking place. So when your financial aid situation changes, you can always request. It's not set in stone.
Carla and Jalen feel their meeting with a college admissions consultant was worth their time because he put their financial fears to rest.
It made me feel a lot better about going to college. When they're about to go into college at 17, this is our last big shift as a parent, and we should try to prepare them as much as possible.
Well, your kids don't have the best grades? Not to worry. Scholarships are available to students with GPAs as low as 2.0. Also, pay close attention to scholarship deadlines, and the deadline to apply for financial aid is March 2nd.